are thrilled to announce our partnership with #Navis War.
All the important news will be shared in our socials.
Navis War Overview. Navis War is a GameFi plus RWA multiplayer experience. The game has two modes, free-to-play and play and earn. Gamers use NAVIX, the governance token, to acquire unique ships as NFTs. These NFTs possess distinct characteristics crucial for dominating the seas and conquering adversaries, all while earning the in-game token, MARIN. Players strategically speculate on the positions of enemy ships. Devising battle plans to sink fleets and secure victory. Features RWA GameFi capped in-game token supply, free-to-play voice call/video call, customizable ships, NFTs, ships with special characteristics. Marketplace leagues, cup tournaments, quick play, tag team, leaderboard, customizable in-game characters, staking. Navis War's tokens. The governance token of Navis War is $NAVIX and the in-game token is $MARIN. These tokens enable users to trade NFTs, customize their fleets and in-game characters, stake, sponsor leagues and tournaments, and compete in live events. Quick stats partners: white heavy checkmark SKALE, white heavy checkmark Coinstore, white heavy checkmark Coinfluence, white heavy checkmark Crypto Whale. What is next? Current roadmap: Phase 2, Q1 2024, Q2 2024. Fundraising, marketing commences. Alpha testing, recent grants. SKALE, trailblazing the widespread adoption of blockchain tech resources website.